Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Golden Arrows 2, DStv Premiership on a Wednesday evening. Say Valley season. Jeez, man, it's been a long season. I'm very happy to close it. I guess it ends on my thought. What else happened? Black Leopards is no longer a team in the DStv Premiership. The day will come, but it won't come this Saturday. Will come next season if you get promoted again. And then what else happened? Amazulu, they are in the CAF Champions League as well for next season. Chucks, as always, lovely to have you and always delightful to have you when Chiefs wins. Hat-trick for Manyama. What do you make of the boys' performance today?
Good looks.
Jump forward.
Congratulations to the Drama Boys. Yeah. No, I moet me spannen. Gelijk wijs me bro. Yeah, no. Let me wait for you to finish. It's okay, good looks. No stress.
We toast to you.
No problem. Thanks very much.
Congratulations.
And good looks. Where does this performance come from? Spirit. They played as a unit. Defended very well, even though there should be a communication at the back. Then there is something that they can solve. You know, where there's a challenge, there should be also a solution every now and then. So Nguluk, that's what I'm saying. You know, transition on the ball, comfortable on the ball, and even the introduction of Ngobo and even Oblom, you know, well spot on.
Yeah,
well spot on.
You make very good points there. I like the fact that you pick them up. Number one, the way of playing. And number two, Ngobo, 2 assists. And 3, just the intention of being able to break, take on people, ubashaye, and score goals. It was refreshing to see that today.
Not only Ngobo, even Ukazande. When did you like?
Oh yes, that assist, that was a very good assist.
Good looks. And even Omanyama, you know, you could even see the target. You know, this is kind of football that we wanted to see from Chiefs players. That's what I'm saying. Where did this performance come from? And even Opaka, he was there. I think everybody was there today. You know, that's what I'm saying. They showed a lot of spirit, togetherness, and Guluks playing as a unit. You know, going forward. I mean, we were trailing by 1 goal to nil, and even goals we did score for them.
And at some point it was 2-1 as well.
Absolutely.
And the spirit to come back. Maybe when things are not going well, we hit them because we're supposed to. Today things went well. Just spend your time in the moment paying tribute to what you saw today. His finishing, his ability to play, interpassing. What did you see today and what impressed you today?
Even the time that he was replaced, I was just smiling. You know, I was just cruising, saying, "It's okay, my brother. You did a good job."
Hat-trick.
You know? Yeah, you know, hat-trick. It's not Papen Flesh. Against who?
Absolutely.
Against who? Against Golden Arrows. So, well done, Manyama, and other players as well, and the whole team. But well done. You know, you did your best today. You showed that you've got an experience. You know, it's not like we played football yesterday. Like the performance that you've given to us before, it was like last performance. But today,
tonight,
Nguluks, you know, he played very well, man. He played very
I
well.
was actually surprised when he scored the third. I was like, yo, is he on 3 goals?
I was also surprised. I thought maybe he's on 2 goals.
Yes, I didn't know that he was on 3 goals.
I wasn't aware. I just heard commentators say, no, now it's 3 goals.
Yeah.
Manyama.
That's because, you know, it goes to show sometimes you wouldn't expect it because of the negative season he's had.
Absolutely.
But tonight was his night. Now, you know, he shines. I don't want to say this, but I was thinking it when he was playing. I was like, yo, Dr. Khumalo. You know, of course you still have to win league titles. You still will have to win an AFCON if you want to be compared to Dr. Khumalo. But I was like, yo, in my mind I was like, Dr. Khumalo, because a midfielder who takes the ball, who takes on people, who passes as well. I thought that today, actually.
Yeah, and it's not into the squad of under 23 for nothing. You know, they chose based on performance. What a player now when he's still coming, you know, let us not put pressure on him. Nguluks, I see a lot of changes next season. Yeah, no, now the leagues are about to wrap up. But I can tell you just now that top 8 is loading. I'm just clever. But all in all, Nguluks, We are playing against CS Galaxy. It should be a must-win game against them with a lot of goals. I don't know how many goals.
Yeah. Whoever wins between you and them is in the top 8. It's as simple as that. You have to beat them to be in the top 8.
Yeah, even if we don't qualify for top 8 in looks, the performance that they should give on the field of play, you know, it should be
a reference point.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we need to say when we go and watch Chiefs to be happy. You know, we're going to watch football like Golden Arrows. What a football that they're playing. They play a very beautiful football. That's the kind of football that we need at the Kaizer Chiefs. Whether we lose or what, we should lose based on our performance. To say, you know what, we lost it, but we played very well. So tonight, guys, I'm giving it to you, and even the technical team. Madlasa, and I see you smiling now. Now Madlasa and Twin Arthur's one, and even Udilan Shopard. Guys, you know, great stuff that we're doing right now. I know that Hand is no longer with us. I was not here.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Absolutely, and all the best to Kevin Hand. It's not like
you were one of the people, of course. We need to give you that moment to react on that, because you were one of the people who said, the players, give him a transfer window.
Absolutely.
You devastated?
It didn't happen. Whatever decision that they take, we should go with the decision from the team. But it was not expected from me. I didn't expect it. It was a surprise for me to see Gavin Hunt leaving Kaizer Chiefs. But all is not lost. You know, people come, people go. Nguluk's behind the scene in the boardroom. We don't know what happened. You know. So, but as I'm saying, I like to wish Coach Gavin Hunt all the best, and let it be. You know, maybe we'll find the team, but to us at the Kaizer Chiefs, we continue Nguluk's, we soldier on. Let's make sure that next season we come well refreshed, and we just want to be happy and get some trophies into the cabinet of Kaizer Chiefs. So Nguluk's happy today, happy tonight, my brother. We won fair and square. There was no offside, no penalty, my brother. Ball position up to scratch. No, well done to the boys.
All right, there you go. That's Kaizer Chiefs beating Golden Arrows then. But I do want to say, actually, before we wrap up the video, Golden Arrows is Amirulala. They scored 2 goals. They were leading 2-1. We're not mentioning them because Umachaga is a Chiefs fan. We focus on Chiefs when we speak to him. But actually, Golden Arrows did try today, and they imposed themselves. And at some point, they looked like they were going to win the game, which is a testament to the spirit of Kaizer Chiefs. They came back twice. Now for consistency, now for us to see it more. And now, I think maybe really Cup final, TS Galaxy, if they want to prove that they are a changed team, I'm not better TS Galaxy in the top 8. We'll see then on Saturday if that will happen. Otherwise, very, very positive performance for Kaizer Chiefs. itiskitimes.co.za, Itiski TV on Facebook as well. We're sponsored by World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.